Hello everyone, myself Shubham Sanjay Badhe from Shivajirao S. Zondai College of Pharmacy, studying in final year B Pharmacy. Today we are going to study about stem cell and its medical application. Introduction. In 1981, scientists Martin Evans and Matthew Kaufman first isolated stem cells from mouse embryos, which led to ability to separate stem cells from human embryos in 1998 by American biologist James Alexander Thomson. Stem cells are called as blank or undifferentiated cells. Stems are special cells that can multiply, repair, and change into different types of tissue. They come into two main types: embryonic and adult stem cells. Embryonic stem cells come from fertilized eggs created outside the body and form a tiny ball of cells called a blastocyte. Adult stem cells are called somatic stem cells, are found in the body after birth and can become specific types of cells like blood or tissue cells. Unlike embryonic stem cells, adult stem cells can be collected without harming an embryo. Potential uses of stem cell. Scientists believe that stem cell, because of their potential to differentiate into many types of stem cells, can be used to treat and understand diseases. Stem cells can be used for: first, to create new cells in a lab to repair damaged organs or tissues. Second, to identify and repair malfunctioning organ parts. Third, to understand the causes of genetic abnormality. Fourth, to investigate the causes of disease and how specific cells become cancerous. Fifth, to test novel medications for safety and efficacy. Types of stem cells. First, totipotent. It is an embryonic stem cells. It can be differentiated into any cell types. Second, pluripotent. It is also an embryonic stem cells. It can be differentiated into three germ layers. Third, the multipotent stem cells. They are they are adult stem cells differentiated into a limited range of cell types. Oligopotent stem cells. They are also adult stem cells differentiated into a limited number of stem cell types. Unipotent. Unipotents are adult stem cells which can be differentiated into single cell type. How do physicians harvest stem cells? Stem cell harvesting is a technique for extracting stem cells from the body for transplant. Stem cell can be obtained from bone marrow, peripheral blood, or the umbilical cord. From the umbilical cord, stem cell can be extracted from the umbilical cord after delivering without harming the newborn. Uh, in bone marrow, these cells are extracted under general anesthesia, typically from the hip or pelvic bone. Technicians then separate the stem cell from the bone marrow. In peripheral stem cells, following several injections, a person's bone marrow releases stem cells into the bloodstream. The blood is then withdrawn from the body. The stem cells are separated using a machine, and the blood is returned to the body by doctors. This is a process of stem cell harvesting. First, the blood is collected through an intravenous tube in one arm. Second, the blood passes through an apheresis machine which separates the stem cells from the blood. Third, the stem cells are collected for storage. And fourth, the remainder of the blood is returned through an intravenous tube to the other arm. Medical application of stem cells. First, treatment of diabetes. Second, human cell transplantation. Third, anti aging. Fourth, stem cell treatment for HIV. Future prospects: gene editing via stem cell. Combination stem cell technology with gene editing methods such as CRISPR-Cas9 opens up new possibilities for treatment. Hereditary illness and genetic defects can be fixed. Gene edited stem cells could treat genetic illness and reduce the risk of harming mutation passing down to the future generation. Stem cell for autoimmune diseases. AIDS related immunological weaknesses can be addressed using stem cell. They regulate the immunological system, encourages tissue regeneration, perhaps curing autoimmune diseases. Future research will focus on developing safe and effective stem cell therapy for disorders such as type 1 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, and multiple sclerosis. Regenerative medicine. In regenerative medicine, damaged or diseased tissue and organs can be restored or replaced by healthy stem cell derived cells. This could transform the treatment of alignments like heart disease, Parkinson's disease, spinal cord injuries, and others. Artificial organs and body parts. In the non too distant future, we may see the production of fully functional artificial organs and body parts from stem cells. This could help to reduce the organ scarcity for transplants and provide tailored solution for people in need. Challenges in future. It is an it is an to accurately identify and isolate stem cell from the patient's tissues. Immunological rejection is a significant barrier to effective stem cell transplantation. Ensuring the long term survival and proper functionality of transplant cells remains a critical challenge. Future stem cell therapy may face significant challenges in producing millions of biologically accurate functional cells for organ transplantation. Risk associated with stem cell therapy. During an allogenic stem cell transplant, donor cells may attack the host, causing symptoms like diarrhea, dermatitis, eye pain, and potentially death. The host may also reject the transplant, causing disease, and if the transplant fails, death. One of the most serious risks of cell transplantation is uncontrolled cell proliferation. Uncontrolled cells are the definition of cancer, which is a major worry. Scientists must perform additional research to determine what will considerably reduce or eliminate this risk. Conclusion. Stem cell research has the potential to greatly improve human health. However, there is some dispute over the development, use, and destruction of human embryo. Scientists may be able to address this concern by creating a new method of transforming adult stem cells into pluripotent stem cells which can differentiate it into any type. This would eliminate the requirement for embryonic stem cells in research. This finding highlights the enormous improvements made in stem cell research. Despite these breakthroughs, much work much more work needs to be done before scientists can develop successful stem cell medicines. Thank you.